Welcome to Delivering More Than Paint, your brand new business development and logic broadcast.
That's right, DMTPTV, baby.
Now, we decided not to call it that, remember?
All right, no vision. Go ahead.
Anyway, my name's Gabe Borboa, and I'm your Western Region Logic Specialist.
And my name is Anthony Lewis. I'm the Business Development Manager out of the Southwest.
Paul Ireland, Capricorn.
No, man, like, what do you do and where do you live? Like, come on.
Paul Ireland, Business Development, Northwest.
That's right, and we want to be the first to introduce you guys to the brand new BDM Logic channel.
Where we'll be answering your favorite logic questions in small, digestible bits, and hopefully keep you coming back for more.
We want to make sure this is of value to you, and we know your time's valuable, so we promise they're never going to be over 5 minutes.
That's right. And as these continue to gain more momentum, we're going to ask you guys to send us content ideas.
There'll be no death by PowerPoint on this channel. We'll keep it light, keep it moving, get you the info and answers you need.
Think about this as like a cookbook, like a barbecue cookbook, right? And it's got tri-tip recipes, right? And some people like to make tri-tip different in Memphis, and then other people like to make tri-tip different in South Carolina, and then there's Texas.
Anthony,
yeah.
We've got a lot to get through.
Fair enough. Continue on with your program. Go ahead.
Our first episode is going to be our SEMA special. Now, we already lied to you. That one's over 5 minutes long, but we had so many great interviews with our partners that we wanted to make sure we brought them all to you.
That's right. It's the super special SEMA show.
Sure.
Take it from them. I wasn't invited.
Oh man, it was awesome.
Anyway, keep an eye out for the link that's headed your way, and we'll see you in 2025.